Hello guys, this is Hard Reset and your device is not working. If transfers won't go through, balance isn't loading or the app crashes, try this. Restart the application. Then check permissions. Allow some if it's needed. Then check your internet connection. If it's good, try to reinstall the application. So click uninstall and install it again. Okay, then open the application, and if you still have some issues, just try to reboot your phone, turn it off and then turn it on, and problem will be solved. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.